Hello YouTube, and this will be a modded game save that I'm putting up. Okay, my unkept herald has a combat rifle, infinity effect. That is probably the most overpowered gun I've ever seen. Jeez. Oh well. Jeez, that just took down their health. Jeez. Yeah. This will be a krige save, and this is my infinite shotgun that, for some reason, first fire it shoots is slow. Yeah, for some reason, look, it's slow on the first shot. See, slow on the first shot. Because of Krige's ability to get extra magazine size, it helps. It's cool. And here's my here is a bolt. I'm calling it the bolt because it's just a bolt. And well, let's go over here and test it out. Boosh. Pretty good. Not good at all. Yes. Yep. Okay, so sorry about this, guys. Time to play some music. I don't even know what this is. I don't know what it does. Yeah. So this is not a gun you want to be using. I haven't actually been able to do all this stuff yet. Instant death, dude. Yep. Yeah, so you don't want to be using that either. So let's see. I've used all Korg skins, which is I like the Korg skin, and it's the Teeth of Terramorphous, but as a sniper rifle. So yeah, I guess the last one is what I like to call the SPRITE BOMB.
Let me hear those screams! I may have angered everything.
No, I did. That is why I call it the SPRITE BOMB. SPRITE BOMB!
I'm never sorry!
Yep. Ouch. So yeah, you do not want to use this gun at close range. That is... yeah. Or you will die. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you guys later. Have a good night.